We've climbed up around 1.5 hours from our camping site. We would reach Triund top in about say 15 minutes now. That's Bhupen. ठंड लगेगी.
अरे नको करू. अरे नको करू.
Back to our tents, and from this trip, this is the memento that I got. Chalo. चुकावा थांबला का? And we're finally down. How was the trek?
काय सर आधी तू सांगायचं हे बोलायचं
तू आता तू ब्लूपर जबरदस्ती बनवले. So guys, if you all are planning to visit Triund or any other place near McLeodganj, he's a local guide. His name is Jay. और his name would be in the description. So आपको अगर इधर आना है तो talk to him. और आप अच्छे से रेट लगा दोगे ना सबके लिए?
बिल्कुल.
ठीक है, चलो. धन्यवाद. So this is the play area cum dining area cum recreational room which they have over here. You can read books, play guitar, play Uno, play Jenga, play Scrabble, chess, and eat food. Nice place. And that's this hostel, so Dharamkot, whatever you want to call it. Hi. Where are you from?
Scotland.
India itself. This is the bunker hostel and
जो काली साड़ी होती है ना, हाँ, उसको पूरा काली गगरी.
Pratik, what's for dinner? Please.
मोमोज मस्त है.
Turn left, then your destination will be on the left.